Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting the watch face under bright light and a 3x magnifier. Look for whether the scratch sits on the coating, glass, or sapphire layer. Measure the screen diagonal and note sizes like 1.5 inches for small models. Check for hairline versus deep gouges to guide your choice. Determine if the scratch affects touch or readability. Decide whether DIY polishing or professional repair is required for deeper or structural damage. Begin by cleaning the face with 1 drop of 70% isopropyl and a microfiber cloth. Remove oil and grit carefully so you do not worsen the scratch. For light scratches, apply non-gel toothpaste or cerium oxide paste sparingly. Use a cotton swab and buff in small circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds per area. Rinse under a small stream of water and dry with a microfiber cloth. Inspect the result and repeat cautiously no more than 3 times. If polishing fails to hide the mark, install a tempered protector or resin film immediately. Choose thin tempered glass or self-leveling resin that matches a 1.5 inch to 2.0 inch screen. For deep scratches, consider professional glass replacement costing roughly 0 to 50 depending on the model. Back up your watch data and fully power off the device before any repair or glass swap. Seek an authorized technician for sapphire or water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.